need to stop here. Look at this weather. Nothing. But I got a small town ahead of me, so I got about 15 minutes. I might think about just calling it a day and just pull over for the night and let them clean the snow, and then we'll go from there. All right. Yeah, I decided to continue to the site. I only got about half an hour to the site, so why not? I don't want to be that guy who's being chicken to continue. Visibility 50%, so just drive slow until you get there. For the best, so
it's fine to be converted in as far as here we turn left. I'll wait for you guys here.
They're talking about we might need to put a chain on because I am at the side right now, so I gotta do my little assist because I don't want to put on a chain on minus 25. Plus, anyway, I don't want to get stuck either. So I'm here, finally made it. After almost 5-hour drive, usually it takes about 3.5. As you see, the condition of the weather. My first blizzard. Driving through blizzard. I've been driven through the storm, but not this kind of storm. Alright, stay tuned. I got another 7 kilometers before I made a right turn. And I'm gonna assist. I'm gonna check that. Assessed. I believe that's what it's pronounced. I gotta check that place, see if I really need a chain on. I'm aiming right for the middle of the road. When I see a car, I'm gonna move it to the right, but the ditch is a little bit to the right, it's a little bit too steep. Alright. Look at that snow here. Oh my god. Quick clean up. What happens when you go through a snowstorm. Look at that. Look at that. Completely covered everything. Got 100 kilometers to the city, so last thing I want to hit is a DOT. Pull me over. And this is my weight. I think the most of it was yesterday that I went through that storm. Yeah, I'm gonna cover all my back here. Look at that. Well, it is what it is. Complete whiteout. Can't even tell which road that you're going. It's crazy. I'm doing like between 70 to 75 kilometers an hour. It's insane. Now I say, now you know what? I do have the experience of driving in this winter, this crazy winter. The last 3 months was okay, but now this is the real stuff. White out. 20 centimeters of snow is on the way on my path. are on and off, on and off. I gotta hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Works whatever time it wants to work. Look at this wiper thing. Visibility is just getting worse and worse. You're talking about getting the experience of driving in winter? Today I am getting it. Welcome to Edmonton, Alberta. Out of nowhere. Blowing snow. Driving, just woke up about an hour ago, ate some of my breakfast, get my coffee, time to head back. So still minus 21, which is good for driving wise. It's not going to be nice and wet. I'm doing about between 65 75 around that area. No rush. That's the whole key when it comes to winter. As you see that they did not put any sand or anything like that. Coming downhill, they did not put any sand whatsoever. So I'm looking for any black asphalt. I'm driving on the other lane for sure. Walk out front of me. Doing 70 kilometers an hour. I got my PK lights are on. Pecan, I think they call it the pecan lights. My pecan lights are on. Got about 3 hours to drive to Edmonton, Alberta. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This is the craziest snowstorm that I ever drove on, which is what an experience. Love it. Yeah. So I will see you in the next video. As you see the lights just blinking. That's my pecan light. I think it's called the pecan lights. Yeah, this is scale on 28, so well, stay tuned. I will see you on the next video, whatever it's gonna be. Till then, make sure that you hit that red button and notification bell so that way you can get notified when I upload a new video. Till then, I'll see you as usually what I say.